mak besar.
Ya, saya.
Assalamualaikum.
Terima kasih datang.
Thank you very nice. Chicken
weekend
meatball.
special.
Oh,
So
weekend
every-
special.
Yeah.
Nari Friday.
It's an event special.
Okay lah, alright. Gurau je jangan marah.
Marah bang.
Berapa semua? Mem ambil order je.
$28 bang.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Bismillah. Okay, alhamdulillah. Thank you very nice. The classic chop and one kosong eh? Kosong. Bayar sekali lah. Jadi yang testing boleh try? Okay, terima kasih. 64.
Terima kasih.
Thank you very nice. Assalamualaikum Ji.
Hey, thank you very nice. What's up, bro?
Hey. Okay,
Keep doing what you're doing.
same to you. You do you.
Yeah, you do YouTube, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, not bad bro. Let's start to pay how much? 3 for $10. Like exploring with Rich Card. Choke blood prices. Kau nak suruh aku bau kau
1 Mei kami akan berada dekat sini sampai 3 Mei. You guys boleh datang dekat event Mak Besar. Masuk je, you guys akan jumpa Ferrolab Perfume.
For this event.
Yeah.
Okay, mak besar. Singapore Expo Hall.
Thank you very nice.
Very nice.